exploring the major impact of microclimates in the field, on the job, around the world. Let's shoot the breeze with Kestrel.
I came to the US as a design engineer working in the suburbs of Chicago, and I've always been fascinated by weather. As a kid, I had a dream that my bedroom had a glass dome over it so I could sit out in thunderstorms and stuff. I'd get up in the middle of the night and just watch the thunderstorms. Often I'll have two different chase targets if the environment changes. For example, some areas can be too heavily capped and nothing initiate, but the environment's better if they do start. So I'm always not just watching the storm that I'm on, but seeing what else is happening elsewhere. Basically, the main thing I use the Kestrel units for is for measuring the dew point when I'm out chasing. It lets me know if I'm in the more moist area. Rule number one is always have an escape route. And sometimes I won't even chase a good setup if it's in an area where road networks aren't very good, because it's very frustrating when you can't get close enough or positioned well to the direction the storms are going. And I don't chase a PDS, which is a potentially dangerous situation. That's the highest risk you can get. Weather is absolutely fascinating for anyone of any ages. Just make sure that if you are watching it, you have a safe place in mind, you know what you're doing. I went with a storm chase group for about 5 years before I even braved going solo. When I'm heading out trying to get location, I'll open my sunroof and have my hand out with the Kestrel trying to get the reading.